The manufacturing industry has always been at the forefront of innovation, and with the rise of Industry 4.0, it has become imperative for manufacturers to leverage digital solutions to improve productivity, efficiency, and quality. In today's competitive landscape, Industry 4.0 is dealing with major challenges like legacy system integration, scalability and flexibility, data silos and integration, real-time data processing and analytics, cybersecurity and data protection, skills gap and workforce development. This is where Codetru comes in. We provide digital transformation services for the manufacturing industry, including advanced application development, quality assurance, testing, and designing services. Our team of experienced developers has expertise in manufacturing mobile, web, and desktop applications. We conduct rigorous quality assurance and testing to ensure that our applications meet the highest performance, reliability, and security standards. Our designers work closely with clients to create user-friendly and intuitive interfaces tailored to their unique needs and requirements. Our manufacturing applications are designed to improve productivity, reduce downtime, and enhance quality control. We also provide data analytics services to help manufacturers gain insights into their operations and make informed decisions. If you're looking for advanced manufacturing application development services, contact us today to schedule a consultation.